Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and hope everyone is doing well. So to all of you who are planning on starting a YouTube channel or create content, I think this video is for you, and as a small creator growing and creating contents for YouTube, I wish I knew these 4 things that I'll be mentioning in this video, and that's why I want to share them with you so that you do not do the same mistake as I was doing.
I'm still alive and free, and I promise I will keep killing.
So stick till the end of this video guys, because I believe this video will be both inspirational and educational to you and I. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't guys. Like the video if you do find the video helpful. Comment down below if you have any comments, and without wasting time guys, let's get into the video. Just in beginning, everything just get better, get uplifting, inspire, educate, let's go. And you guys, that's the intro. I finished it, that's my intro. And I think with this intro, I think I'm gonna start be showing my face. I'm not gonna be just letting the sound, I think I'm gonna start showing my face because I think it's a nice intro. But by the way guys, let me know what you guys think about the intro, but that's not the purpose of this video. Let's stick to learn. So 4 things that I wish I knew before I started, and maybe I would have been so far, and I want you to know this before you even think of creating a YouTube channel, and out of these 4 things, number 1 is being yourself. So I know you watch all of these creators creating content for YouTube, and if you're trying to copy them and actually be like them, I think you'll have a hard time here on YouTube, because here on YouTube is a platform to show who you are and your values and your qualities. So if you try
Jesus Christ, I think you have a fucking drug problem with loads.
Try to be like somebody else, I think it will be hard for you to cope with the YouTube thing and creating videos. So that's the number 1 thing that you can do. You can avoid when starting a YouTube channel is trying to be like other creators. I know here on YouTube we all have different types of humor, different types of charisma and stuff like that. So the best thing that you can do for yourself on YouTube is being yourself. So if you think of that before you even start creating a YouTube, creating a YouTube channel, I think by the time you start creating YouTube, it will be much easier for you, because you're actually being yourself and actually enjoying being yourself, and actually being comfortable with yourself and what you are sharing. So that's the first thing that you should know before you even think of starting a YouTube channel. And number 2 is, guys, do not buy expensive stuff. Yeah, you heard that right. Do not buy expensive stuff. I know when you are starting, you wanna have a good camera, you wanna have a good smartphone so that you can record quality videos.
Daddy shouldn't waste his time. And from now on,
one thing I can advise you is that don't even think of starting to buy things when you're starting, because when you start to buy expensive stuff and you actually realize that YouTube is not for you, you'll be like you wasted your money and stuff like that. Though in the end you can end up selling the things, but I just feel like you'll feel like you spend so much for things that are not even for you, So what I can suggest when starting is that start with what you have. If you have a phone that can capture good quality image, that can take good videos, just start with that, Start with that. If you can just nowadays phones are very good. You can get even a Samsung or even a iPhone, small iPhone, it can take good videos.
This is my home. They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here.
So when you're starting, don't even think of buying expensive gears, and think of this: what's the point of buying things that you can't even use? So what I would suggest is that use what you have. If it's a small phone that you have, use it, and you don't even have to have a mic, because nowadays you can use your phone to record the sound. You can use your phone to record the sound, and when you're editing, you just put it into the editing software. And the other thing is, as you're creating videos for YouTube, you start to see whether you like the game or you don't like the game. So think of this: what's the point of you spending so much money only to come and realize that you don't even love the game? So I would suggest is get into the game with what you have, start creating YouTube videos, and if you see you like it and if you are enjoying it and actually you're not even worried about the YouTube numbers, then you can start buying expensive gears if you have the capital, because that's all that it takes. Yeah. And yeah guys, I don't want to be too long with buying expensive gears. Number 3 is don't get discouraged, guys, because I know when I was creating YouTube videos, there was a point where I was very discouraged by the YouTube numbers. You're posting a video, let's say a 15 minutes video, you're only getting 3 views, and you're thinking, shucks, 15 minutes of editing the video, the time it took for you to create that video, the money that you spent for you to come up with a video idea and for you to actually get that video to be done, you start thinking only 3 views, really? So you start to get discouraged. I mean, that I was doing that before, but now as I'm learning about the YouTube thing, I'm getting to understand that, you know, YouTube is not a short-term thing. You gotta start thinking long-term. You know, you gotta start thinking long-term. So the thing that you can do for yourself when you're getting discouraged,
Warning.
is that don't even get discouraged. Is that know that YouTube is a long-term thing. You know, the thing that you can do for yourself is focus on creating better videos. You know, focus on improving on your videos. Focus on improving on your audio. Focus on improving on your overlays. Focus on improving on your editing style. Focus on improving your text style. You know, all of those things. So focus on improving your videos, the way you set your videos, your transition and stuff like that. So I think that's going to help you a lot, because I think YouTube is a long-term thing. Because if you watch all the YouTubers out there, the videos that they are posting now are very good quality, you know. But if you have to go back to when they were creating videos, when they started, bro, like, the videos were shit. Let me not say shit, but the videos were like, they were not giving, like, you know, they started with what they had and they never got discouraged. So don't get discouraged and just focus on improving and becoming the best version of yourself here on YouTube, you know. And for me personally, I think YouTube has helped me so much, because it's actually helping me learn on certain things and educating myself every day here on YouTube. As I'm recording this video, when I started, I was scripting the whole thing. Like, now I'm learning on being myself on camera, and I'm just like learning on, you know, just like being myself and express myself, and not worry about what people will think or what people will say. Because end of the day, I'm the only one. End of the day, I'm being myself, you know. So, and of course, people will judge, people will say things, but those are just people, you know. What are you expecting? I saw that coming. So yeah. And yeah, I know there's so many things that I can be able to share when starting a YouTube channel, but these are just 4 things that I wish I knew before I started, before I even thought of creating a YouTube channel. And last but not least, let's go to number 4, and that is, don't disrespect your audience. You know, you that you are watching this, what's the point of me disrespecting you when you are the one that actually supporting me with what I'm doing? So I feel like if you create a YouTube channel, number 4, don't disrespect your audience. Appreciate them, take care of them, like, you know, like, let them know that you also think about them. If your audience comments on your videos, don't just leave the video there. Don't just leave the comment there and not reply or give them a shout out or something like that. You know, I feel like that is disrespect, because if people take their time to actually sit on their phone or laptop or whatever and actually watch what you are creating or what you are doing, you know, with your life, and you don't even actually appreciate their time, I mean, it will be your downfall here on YouTube. I'm still a small content creator or YouTuber growing, but I think I've learned this throughout the way, because there was a time where people were commenting on my video and I just left it there. You know, I feel like that's disrespect. And by the way, if you got offended, I'm sorry. And if you're a YouTuber and you think that you've got this yourself, one thing that I want you to know is that disrespect your audience and see how your channel is gonna go down. That's the one thing that you should know, Baba. Respect your audience if you wanna go forward with YouTube. I'm still a small YouTuber, packing by 223 subscribers, but I think I know this. And the reason why most successful YouTubers go on YouTube is because they respect so much their audience. You know, the people that watch their videos, they respect them so much. And that's why you see all these YouTubers will be like, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, because they actually appreciate you guys' time. Because guys, time is money. Think of people just sitting here and watching your videos and not actually doing what they're supposed to be doing, and you just gonna come and disrespect them. Think about that. So don't disrespect your audience, respect your audience, appreciate their time. And if they actually like you guys that are watching this video, I really appreciate you guys so much. If you are watching this video till this far, I appreciate it so much for your time and effort to actually watch my content. There's more content coming by Justin Bigere, because with this channel, guys, I'll be doing everything. Like, I want to make this YouTube channel everything. I'll be providing you guys with values on how to grow on YouTube. I'll be doing vlogs. I'll be doing public interviews. I will be hosting blinded shows. I'll be doing all of those things that you guys watch on YouTube. I will make them on one YouTube channel. And if you guys want that to happen, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that we can grow together. And definitely, I'm bringing you the best shows here on YouTube. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't for more educational and inspiring content by Justin Bigere, and I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.